Are you looking for the best drawing tablets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drawing tablets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, 2022 HUION KAMVAS 16 Graphics Drawing Tablets. These drawing tablets are made with glass and screen technology to enable you to precisely position your cursor for your stylus and the lowest parallax. With the 10 handy shortcut keys, you experience workflow simplification and creating your ideas fast and efficiently. The anti-glare film installed helps you to have a clear picture even in bright light. Besides, it is scratch-resistant. The drawing tablet is connected to Mac, Windows, and even Android devices, and it can be powered to laptops using HDMI or USB-C cables. Using it gives you the exact creation you wish due to the PW517 pen that is highly sensitive and reacts to tilts and movement with your hands with utmost precision and control. At number 4, 2022 HUION KAMVAS 12 Drawing Tablets. This drawing table is suitable for all kinds of artists like beginners and professionals, for instance teachers, animation hobbyists, and even remote online working students. The 16.7 million display colors are paired with an sRGB wide gamut, enabling you to produce vivid and vibrant colors for your creation. It comes with a 3-in-1 cable for connection to your computer, but you can buy USB-C to USB-C cable to connect with the Android devices too. The pen technology is upgraded with the ability to capture organically while giving you a lifelike and smooth drawing experience. The full lamination offers a more transparent and better display effect, while the anti-glare film gets rid of harmful glares and improves the display's viewing angle and brightness. At number 3, HUION KAMVAS 20 Drawing Pen Display Graphic Monitor. With this tablet, you will be able to draw with an art that is precise of your liking due to the rich colors available with smooth transition between them. The anti-glare glass protects your eyes from the damage of glares while it shortens the distance between the pen nib and cursor, enabling you to feel like drawing on paper. You will experience advanced pen performance that doesn't need charging because of 8,192 levels of pen pressure with 60+ tilt support. It has a 178-degree viewing angle that produces images without color disparities and an adjustable stand with a slider design that is simple, convenient, and reliable to use. The tablet is compatible with Windows 7 or later and Mac OS 10.12 or later. A great tool to use while online tutoring as it meets your needs. At number 2, HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 Graphics Drawing Tablet. This tablet from the HUION brand is lightweight and convenient to carry, and it has a sleek look. It is compatible with Windows and Mac OS while it is efficient, hence used to meet the needs for every subject in online tutoring software. It comes with a tilt function battery-free stylus that enables you to use the advanced pen performance while you don't fret about charging it. The full laminated and anti-glare glass features reduced parallax to the lowest level that increases the accuracy of the pen while effectively reducing the damage of your eyes from glares. At number 1, 2022 HUION KAMVAS 12 Graphics Drawing Tablet. Digital art and graphic designing should not be hard to comprehend, as this tablet will make your work easier. The upgraded PenTech 3.0 capacitive pressure sensor and stable nibs give you the ultimate feel of a natural and highly sensitive drawing like a regular pen. While the pen immediately reacts to tilt, allowing you to draw with ultimate control and precision, you can customize the 8 handy shortcut keys to simplify your workflow and create ideas faster and efficiently. The tablet is compatible with Mac OS, Windows, and Android devices. It could be powered by a laptop using the 3-in-1 cable or HDMI. Also supports a Type-C to Type-C connection. It has replaceable anti-glare features that are scratch-resistant for offering a clear picture in bright light. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.